Namaskar, I'm Dr. Rinku Pegu, working as Assistant Professor at the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi. I welcome you all to this module that deals with integrated newsroom. After engaging with this module, you will become aware of the following: the concept of integrated newsroom, the basic elements and features of integrated newsroom, the changes of integrated newsroom it has brought into the craft of news gathering and dissemination, the implication of integrated newsroom for journalism in India, the challenges facing practicing and aspiring journalists. Let's begin with the concept of integrated newsroom. Contemporary news media is increasingly shifting to what is called integrated newsroom in terms of infrastructure, skill set, and activities that are involved in collecting events and bringing it to the citizens. Driven by advances in communication technology, integrated newsroom is a seamless network of information gathering and dissemination where text, sound, image, and video all combine in one platform. The earlier print media and broadcast media working separately in silos has been done away with. This technological change in the business and practice of news has coined new terms like integrated newsroom journalism and digital journalism. For example, Hindustan Times, a legacy newspaper, no longer waits for its reporters to file news in the evening for the subsequent morning edition. Through its web portal, hindustantimes.com, reporters have to break the latest news as soon as it is received or accessed. In another example, let's take the case of NDTV 24/7, a conventional television news channel. Despite being on air 24 hours, NDTV has launched its web portal ndtv.com, where one can live stream as well as read and watch uploaded episodes of news bulletin. This dynamic element of integrated newsroom has been brought on by what is called digital technology and its many variants. There are also fresh news startups like The Quint, initiated through the web and accessible via the internet. The team at The Quint consists of storytellers, editors, producers, designers, analysts, and reporters who describe themselves as having their teeth on the news, which is delivered on the phone through videos, op-eds, infographics, animations, and documentaries. In fact, Quint's catchline is making sense of the systematic chaos that is the world today and seeking to bring to the people the story, however you want it. They launched on March 2015 after initially making their presence on Facebook. According to noted academic of news media and journalism, Emily Bell, it's not print versus digital, but first fast versus slow. In a nutshell, it is not just text and audio that are being transmitted, but also video at a very high speed. Okay, now let's go on to the next section, which is the process of functioning. Journalists working for a particular news organization are all connected through a common WhatsApp group through which breaking news is flashed as an alert. The second step is that the details of the breaking news are uploaded onto a common server through which editors responsible for television news and web news are free to access the server and adapt to their particular medium. Given the specifics of integrated newsroom, when news is broken, there are 3 or 4 procedural steps to be followed. Number 1, the breaking news is flashed through a headline both on news TV screen and in the news web portal. The second step is that details are given on the unfolding events in the second lot. In the third lot or update, interpretation and analysis of the breaking news is given. New protocols are being established in some news organizations because of integrated newsroom. In the case of NDTV, after the first flash of breaking news, the ndtv.com editor would wait for the full details to be first aired on NDTV 24/7 and only then upload it. Owing to integrated newsroom, the conventional news media, be it print or broadcast, is no longer known for a single media. They all have multimedia platforms through convergence. The web portals are not merely a replica of the dominant platform, be it newspaper or news channel. News portal consists of much wider and varied information. How news is received has changed. It is just a click away through apps and social media platforms. As technology has enabled the convergence of different media platforms to intersect and work collectively, the earlier practice of having or working on only single dominant platform has become irrelevant. This convergence is different from cross-media ownership, where media owners are authorized with separate license for running radio station, news channel and newspaper respectively. Digital technology has brought under one roof all these different mediums to work in tandem, a space where all platforms are merging with podcasting, live streaming and textual uploading of news. Now let's go to the most important part, which is implications of integrated newsroom on media industry. Implications of integrated newsroom can broadly be divided into three different areas: the practice of the craft, the organizational setup and finances. The first is practice of the craft. New opportunities have come up because of the integrated newsroom. Given that one has to write, speak and shoot simultaneously, fresh areas of news presentation can be explored and cater to all kind of audiences. Citizens wanting snapshot of information, to those who want feature variety, to those who have patience for episodes, can be all catered to. Further, a journalist can leave out the written word and completely engage only through pictures. While news presentation can get briefer and briefer, another format is to ask a question and then watch a debate happen or unfold. In addition, news stories can be presented only through graphic explainers. In other words, the scope of providing news is expanded manifold, both in terms of breadth and depth. The second most important implication is simplification of information gathering. Technology has not only made information dissemination seamless, but has also simplified the process of information gathering. Example, couple of years back, to report live for television, a whole retinue of 10 to 12 people was required. Given the technological breakthrough, reporting for television can now be done by a single person armed with the latest mobile phone technology. To give an instance, NDTV reporters are using Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9 to shoot and record their videos, subsequently edit them to make it ready for broadcasting as well as uploading. Gone are the days of a camera person wielding a bulky camera on one soldier to shoot. Reporters are increasingly engaged in shooting their own reports, interview with sources through mobile with the selfie stick. Thirdly, multitasking has become the order of the day. A journalist is required to do multiple tasks, no longer confined to one single primary activity. One has to write news, one has to do news copy, one has to think visually and shoot and edit both still photographs as well as video. One has to give voiceovers for video while also reporting on camera.